Ciao amici, we're gonna rock out some plushies today. I've designed one pattern that you can use to make 3 fun animals: a cat, a bat, and a dragon. All 3 of the plushies have these fun big eyes that are cut out of felt. So you're gonna start the same way with all of them by gluing on the felt circles and then stitching on a button to create the eyes. After that, you're gonna piece it together inside out. So for the cat, I'm using a boa that I cut and pinned in place. And then you can see I'm putting on the back side, pinning it together so I can sew around the edges. Once that's done, I'm going to flip it inside out, and you can see the bottom's been left open so that I can stuff my plushie with Polyfill Dark. If you haven't seen it yet, it's this cool new fiberfill that's a dark color, and it's perfect for projects like this one, so you don't have to worry about any white fluff showing. See? It's this dark brown color that blends in perfectly with darker fabrics, like I used for these plushies. Moving on to the bat, the wings are cut from felt fabric, and I'm doing the same thing you saw me do with the cat. I'm going to piece it together inside out, pin the stuff in place so that I can stitch the edges together. When I flip it inside out, you'll see that I had to fold down those wings to be able to sew correctly. As you're flipping it inside out, you really want to make sure you get those ears popped out. If you find that pieces of the eyes aren't completely glued down, just get that fabric glue and glue all the edges down into place. Once again, I'm filling it with Polyfill Dark, and you can see the polyfill color goes really nicely with my fabric. So if this was a thinner fabric, I wouldn't have to worry at all about the white fiberfill showing through because I've got this nice dark filler in there. So I'm just gonna keep stuffing it, stuff it real good, get it in all the nooks and crannies until your plushie is full and just adorable. I didn't show the dragon in this video, but with that one, all I did was sew the wings onto the back instead of the side. So once it's nice and filled, I'm going to pin that bottom shut and hand sew it. Then they get a cute little bow tie, and the plushies are ready to be displayed. Have fun crafting and creating cat, a bat, and a dragon with this one fun pattern, and stuff them all good with Polyfill Dark.